Hey guys, welcome back to this week episode of Junk Food Cuisine. I'm your host Rene, and today we're gonna be making sweet squid rings. And it's not a really common dish to make, but it's the most delicious dish you can eat. So you guys have to try it, and let's get right into it.
You can't steal my catchphrase, and we're using
that's how it is now.
We're
That's my
using that.
catchphrase. Who said it was yours? It's mine now. Cut. If you guys been watching Junk Food Cuisine since the first episode of the Basil fried rice, you know I talk deeply about the mixture of onions, garlic, and chilies that have been pounded in this pounder. And today we will be using that same mixture for this recipe. And in a bowl I just put 1 cup of flour before adding in 1 tablespoon of salt for saltiness and 1 tablespoon of pepper for peppery, and mix them to combine before adding a pound of squid that been washed, rinsed, and dried in the same order before once again getting your beautiful hands and coating it into that flour. After that, you just want to dust any excess flour from the squid and you want to transfer them into another bowl before beating a large egg and adding that into the squid. And once again, you want to take your beautiful hands, making sure you put the egg thoroughly before putting it into the same flour mixture that we put them earlier, and making sure this time you coated them very generously. Right here, you just want to grab any saucepan pots that are deep enough to put 2 inches of oil at least, and you want to put the heat to medium to high before dropping your calamaris or squid rings individually, and they should cook around 2 to 3 minutes, and they should look like this. You can see they're really lightly fried, golden brown, really beautiful, and I just take them out after 2 to 3 minutes because they're done by then. And look how perfect they look. They look so beautiful. I'm so speechless right now, and that's the way they should come. Look at them, perfect. After that, you just want to grab your wok and put at least 2 tablespoons of oil before adding in the mixture that we talked about earlier. But this time I didn't put any chilies, I just put onions and garlic, and because I don't want to make it too spicy, because Omar, you know, crybaby. So right here I grabbed my vegetable, which was the red bell pepper, green beans, and onions, and I just stir that around the wok, cooking them for a little bit before adding in my soy sauce right here, and my all-time favorite dipping sauce, which is the Ploy chili sauce right here for a little sweetness. And right here you want to grab your spatula once again and mix them all together. And right here I just grabbed my squid rings and dropped that into the party. And look how beautiful those are. Yeah, those are squid rings right there. Yeah. And you want to mix them all together. Oh, my mouth is watering right now. Look how beautiful those are. And you can totally substitute the squid rings from anything right here. You can make it chicken, you can make it, beef, anything you like. But squid rings, come on, you have to try this. Very important. And right here you want to grab your basil, drop that into the party, because who doesn't like basil? If you guys never cooked with basil before, you're totally missing out. And the chilies, of course, once again, mix that all together. If you guys eat the same thing every single day and you want to try something different, I totally recommend trying one of our dishes, especially this one, because this one came out really good. It was out of the world. It surprised me. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today as far as cooking. And that's basically it. You just made sweet rings with basil sauce and chili sauce from home. It was that easy. And until next week, peace.
had to do it to him.
No, this is squid sweet rings, I like to call it, and it's deep fried with like basil sauce and sweet chili sauce, and it's really good. And Omar never really tried this, like a lot of things. So here you go. That's your piece. And
Omar never really tried this.
let me get a small one. Oh wow. This actually surprised me too. This is really good.
And you said earlier that squids don't really have like a taste.
Mm-hmm.
But like was it the sauce?
This
The
is
sauce, having it deep fried and everything, really like makes it taste really good. And because the squid is chewy,
the texture.
yeah.
It's really good. I'm surprised. I only made this dish a couple of times, but I still have it. So,
Hey, make this dish, tell them it's chicken, and then see what they think.
don't do that. Mm-mm.